Hey, this is KBRC13 here, and this is my new FMS 6x6 Atlas. Okay, and here's the video. They say it's blue, but it's blue, I guess, but it looks like a gray kind of primer blue almost. I'm colorblind, so let me take this thing out of here. Oh, look at that, right out there. Oh man. Hey, Beanfield and Maggie and Dino Goat. There's Dino Goat. And Duckman, how you guys doing?
Okay, KB.
Hey, KB, yeah? Yeah, Beanfield? What is this? Oh, it's my new FMS Atlas 6x6. Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah, it's pretty cool, but it's in my shop. Why is it in my shop? You didn't ask me.
Well, I'm sorry, Duckman. I'm just going to do a review on it, and then I'll take it out of your shop.
Okay, it's okay. You can keep it in the shop. Well, you can't keep it in the shop, but you just do a review and then you put it somewhere else, because this is my shop and I need my space, you know. Wah.
Yeah, I know. I'm sorry, Duckman. I didn't ask you.
Oh, it's okay, KB.
It's pretty cool, though, KB. We'll see you guys later. Yeah, see you later.
Yeah, see you later, KB.
Hey, that was a pretty cool RC, huh?
Yeah, but review my ass, KB. Look at my shop. KB cannot clean up anything around here. It's a total mess all over the place.
Yeah, I know, but, he's old, and so you gotta give him a break.
Give him a break? I'll give him a break tonight.
And we drive it a little bit. I ain't got too much to drive it over, but if that'll even stay. Oh. Looks like it's got pretty good flex there. Close to the edge of the thing. I gotta see how to shut the lights off. There must be a way to do that. Okay. I usually don't do this, but I'm going to do this. I'm going to do a review from top to bottom on this truck, okay? From everything. So this is going to be my first time doing this, so just got to hang in with me. So first of all, we got this rubber bumper here. I mean, not rubber, but it's plastic. Looks pretty good. It's bolted in, looks like you could put a little mini winch on it, and okay. And then we got this kind of plastic grill right here. Is he sleeping? Is he sleeping?
Yeah, he's sleeping. I seen him take a pill. He's gonna be out for hours. Let's go over to his computer and mess with him. Hold that right there, Maggie. Hold that light right there. Awesome. Beanfield, you know what we're going to do?
What's that?
We're going to take and put some of our video on top of his review video. Look at the dummy. He left his computer up. Dino Goat, you know how to do that?
Yep.
All right.
Is he still sleeping? Oh, Atlas 6x6, climb that hill. Oh, yeah, just like that. Oh.
Yeah, he's still sleeping. That dummy's going to be out for hours.
And, let's see, the battery case is off right here.
done?
Yup.
Hey, Beanfield, let's get out of here before KB wakes up.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Yeah, we got him good. He's gonna love this joke. What?
Wow, that was exciting. We took this whole thing apart and put it all back together. Boy, I hope you guys liked that. No extra parts either on the ground. I hope you guys liked that video. I'm really kind of tired, so it's pretty late. So KBRC 13, ciao for now.